Welcome to another Making Money episode. So, my dear students, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 ways to make money as a student. So, even if you're not a student and you're just trying to find side income, please sit and relax. This video, I made it just for you. So, let's get this video started. One of the sure ways I know that you can make money online as a student is by content creation. Trust me, you are on almost every social media platform. You're on Instagram, you're on YouTube, you're on TikTok, you're on Twitter, right? Now X, right? And these platforms all can pay you money. So it's just you using that same time to watch other people. Why don't you convert it into making people watch you and get paid for that? How do you do it? Just content creation. Additionally, I understand on YouTube it's more like eye barrier to enter into YouTube. TikTok is also on the side. There's no way to make money that is easy. So if you are going to start on YouTube, you can start with faceless channel, or even if it's a long form faceless channel or a short form faceless channel, you're still going to make the money. The essence of this is just to make money, right? Get extra side income. Is that not so? So content creation is a sure way. Take it from me, content creation pays. So that's one sure way to get started. Number two is freelancing. If you have skills, right, you can sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, right? Just sign up and put your A game out there for you to get client. That's another sure way to make money online as a student. Number next, I'm going to leave you with is affiliate marketing. This is a very good passive income idea where you can share like Amazon links, or you can share a link to someone else's sales that you're an affiliate marketer in, right? Just share the link and you get commission. It's more like commission based. When people go use that link, you have commission. Some can say when people click on that link, you have commission. Some can say until the person buy before you get commission. But I think that's a good passive income idea. Number next is graphic designing. Dear students, dear you, anybody looking to get side income or extra money, graphic design, don't joke with this. In fact, let me put it as designing, anything web designing, graphic designing, UI UX design, anything design is going to make you money, right? But easy entry, I would say graphic designing. You can start from Canva. Graphic designing, you can teach yourself that skill, and that's why most of all these skills I'm mentioning, they are easy entry level skills that you can learn by watching YouTube videos. You can also learn by visiting one or two websites and you're good at it. So try practicing with Canva. And if you have a laptop, go to Photoshop, Adobe, all those things, right? Just ensure you play around with the tools and put yourself out there. Trust me, you're going to get the clients that you need. Number next, I'm going to leave you here is online writing. If you love to write, and I think that expression in the a more profitable term now is more like copywriting. If you are good at writing um, persuasive words that can bring sales to what somebody is doing, let me just bracket writing. Anything, email writing, that's newsletter writing, copywriting, online writing, story writing, anything writing is going to make you money. Just ensure that you try to figure out the type of writing you want to or go for, then practice, work on yourself, and fix yourself in online platform that can help you push out those things. If it's for copywriting, put yourself on IG, on Instagram, on Upwork that you're a copywriter, and trust me, you are going to get the clients that you need. Next, I'm going to leave you with writing ebooks. Trust me, you have a skill or you know something that somebody else doesn't know. Test the market. Look at your friend. What are your friends coming to say? Ah, why don't you teach me this? Why don't you write an ebook on that? And earn money from that avenue, right? You can write ebook. Number next, online coaching. You know something? Especially my gurus, I love teaching for free. Your friends come to you and say, ah, please, do you understand this BCH 101? Or do you understand this? Why don't you organize an online coaching class for your peers or for teaching any course that you are an expert at? Additionally, you don't even need to be an expert before you teach, right? If you know something better than somebody, trust me, you can teach that. So why don't you teach it and earn money from it? Next, I'm going to leave you with this. If you would like to go into this advertisement space or ad, if you know how to run Facebook ad and Instagram ad, because one thing that there's a space between the physical market and the online market. Actually, now everybody is going global. The world is going global. So any business that's like a physical store that is not being expressed or being advertised online, it still has a form of limitation. Even if it doesn't have limitation right now, it's going to have in the future. I know what it took me before I was able to advertise my French course online, because I'm a do it myself kind of person. I did not want to pay somebody. I wanted to figure it out. Because one thing I also realized that the more skill you acquire, that's more skill you know, the more money you make, right? So if you can learn Facebook or Instagram, how to run ad on Facebook or Instagram, trust me, local people need it. People out there need to advertise their business online, but they just don't know how. And just social media marketing by posting on Instagram, IG, and TikTok is not enough. They want to advertise that particular product. And how do they go about it? It's just Instagram ad and Facebook ad. If you know how to do that, you're going to be charging lots of money for that. Trust me. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're not enrolled for the 3-month friend course, please do well to use the link in the description box below. Let me leave this as a note. If you would like to learn how to run ads on Facebook yourself, please do well to send me a message. And it's not going to be for free. It's not going to be for free. I'm going to charge you to teach you that, because with that, you're going to make tons of money with that skill you're going to be learning. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now. Au revoir.